A button.
This is way more fun.
Shower.
Bro, his face is red. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is great.
Hey guys, it's Wenji and I'm here with Kolinsky.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And Devin Key.
Hey.
Yeah, Devin.
And hi.
I'm trying to reach it, but it's so far away.
Today we are doing gummy food versus sour gummy food.
Sour
Wait,
gummy
what?
food.
Yeah,
Wait,
there's
sour?
3 of us.
Oh
And
no.
Oh gosh.
real food.
I don't do well with sour food.
No.
Neither does Devin. This
Oh,
is-
really? Okay,
I
well.
hope you get it all.
And
Alright.
we have a twist to this. So we have our smoothie bowls.
Yep.
So everything we get, we're gonna pop in here and we're gonna drink it after. And also, we did a pancake art challenge on Colin's channel.
It was a rematch because last time she destroyed me, and so we had to go back at it again to see who will become the victor.
Don't worry guys, I got this.
You'll see.
Right now, we don't know what's under these plates.
I'm so nervous.
I know.
I know. 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
What?
Yes!
I got an octopus?
That looks gross.
Are you kidding me?
That looks... Oh!
Oh, that's
Yo, you can see it's like little sticky
No!
little things.
I don't want to see it. Dude, no.
Am I to eat it?
Yeah,
Yeah, you
Yeah.
gotta eat it.
Will that get stuck to your throat on the way down?
I hope not. At least you didn't get a live octopus.
Oh,
You know,
that
like
is
how
very...
they produce like the
snap.
live ones?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, I got the sour.
Oh, you got the sour? Oh, I'm double blessed. What?
Alright, you ready guys? We're gonna eat this.
Actually, it's a great way of doing this. See, I'm gonna place this here.
Oh, you're gonna make a little platter.
I like
right
your
now.
spoon, Collins. It's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It's all octopus.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Mmm. It's so good. Man,
I don't mind sour.
I love gummy food, man.
Oh, this is really good actually. Like,
And the suction cup's like almost like detached from the arm and it's like floating around my mouth.
What?
It's really weird.
Swallow it.
I don't want to swallow it, bro.
Is it still in your mouth?
Yeah, because I haven't swallowed it yet because it's just like it's super scary. Like what happened when I swallow it? What are you gonna happen?
I can't right now.
Yeah, me neither. I can't either. I literally cannot. Yo, is it gonna get like stuck to me like on the inside?
No, I don't know.
Like,
It'll never come out.
They take an X-ray of my body and there's like this octopus arm stuck to my stomach that's been there for like 25 years.
Maybe it's gonna climb out using its suction cup.
No.
Not a good thought.
No, we gotta smoothie it, so we gotta put it in our smoothie.
Oh, I forgot.
Yes! I'm so excited.
I am not happy about this.
I will gladly put all of these in my smoothie. Just look at... Oh. I wish there was more of them, to be honest.
Alright, round 2.
Round
what do we
2.
have? I don't know.
Man, I hope I get some good candy.
I do too.
I hope I get something good too. 3,
2, 1. Yeah!
The sour!
Wait.
First an octopus and now sour candy?
Is this supposed to be bad? Cause this looks
No,
really
you,
good.
you got the good one, Devin.
This looks
Yeah,
awesome.
I know. You've been getting good ones so far. Like, what's
Yeah.
happening?
I don't know. I'm not liking this challenge currently.
I'm loving it. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
Oh!
I love watermelon.
Oh, it's like power.
So good. I mean, who doesn't love watermelon? I feel like I'm in the summertime, you know? It's so great.
This is really
I
good.
feel warm inside. I feel really good.
Hey,
How are you doing, Collins? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Doing good?
Oil.
Glad to hear.
Bro! Are you sister?
No, what?
What?
I tried to say sister.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah.
It's all the way down. It's dead.
Oh, really?
Oh,
It's
the
sweet.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the coating
Oh,
went off.
wow.
What?
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Awesome. Well, we're gonna smoothie it. All right. So I'm not even sure this fits in my blender.
Oh, yeah, it kind of fits. Do I just put the whole thing in, like, with the rind? Maybe this
Yeah,
wasn't...
yes,
Yeah.
No, I was really excited about this. I'm not anymore.
All right, here we go. Gonna put mine in. Whoa! Oops! I slipped and happened to.
No, you
Man.
can't, you can't.
Man. Oh, that smells disgusting. Holy cow!
I'll take your word for it. No, I don't want to.
No, that's intense.
Round 3. So I think Devin needs to get something bad.
No,
now,
yes.
because like
No, I
he's
don't.
not gotten anything bad.
No, not at all,
Like, what
please.
is this?
No, I don't need anything. I'm good, all set.
He's just like that innocent one in the corner, like nothing bad happens to me. 3,
2,
1.
Yes!
Oh.
Oh!
What is
Oh!
it? There's so much
That's sour powder?
Yeah.
Holy cow, I am so happy that I got my nice little burger. That's gonna,
I feel bad for you.
that will eliminate your mouth.
Yeah,
forever.
That's not gonna be good.
Holy cow.
Oh
I'm getting like sympathy sour
I know,
feelings
we've
now.
done this a couple times, and
Yeah.
oh, it's bad.
Yeah, it's terrible. So I will call this with pleasure.
All right.
Everyone?
Yeah, it's your first good one.
Exactly. 3, 2, 1.
no. Oh. Oh.
Mm, great.
You okay? Wait, bro, what are you doing?
Try this bite.
Oh my god, that was so sour. I've never had anything this sour before.
You did quite a bite of that. I don't know. I suck my tooth. That was delicious. I really hope I get more gummies because it's so good. Man, I'm so happy. It's like, this is so delicious, man.
It's like a little child. It's like Halloween candy.
Is it sour?
It's still on my lips.
Oh,
I have to lick my lips. Oh my god.
I've done that
Wipe it
before.
off.
Yeah.
It's smoothie time.
This was actually not really a great
A
thing.
spinach burger?
Watermelon and burger. Yum.
Do I have to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Bro,
can-
I have an octopus and sour candy in mine.
Yeah, I guess
And
you're
she's
right.
got a full sour burger.
We have the next food. Again,
Whatever it is.
I feel really mean, but I'm hoping Devin gets something.
Me too,
Aw,
and I don't
thank
feel
you
mean at
guys.
all.
I feel so supported. Thank you guys.
3,
Alright, 2, 1. No!
Oh, that's awesome.
No!
Yo! Holy!
It happened.
It smells just like it.
Wait, really?
It smells like
Can I
Coca-Cola.
smell it?
Yeah, don't you eat it. Don't eat it. Do not eat. No!
Bro, that's so
kidding me.
good.
Oh, there's like a giant one, a little
Yeah,
one.
and he ate my giant one.
Oh, it tastes just like Coke too. Oh man.
Man.
Yeah, it smells
Hey, you
good.
can have it back. We want it? Here.
Well,
Yeah!
What?
Yeah! Yeah! Holy No! You start like a Twitch shot channel.
That's incredible.
Totally planned.
All right, cool. I got this, which is
yeah.
this is great.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Did you shake it?
What were you
I
doing?
didn't shake it.
What did you
sure?
Who shook it?
It wasn't me.
It's on my shirt.
Roasted.
No. 2,
What?
1.
Oh yeah. Oh ow.
Oh.
Still
Oh
dripping.
man.
Ow.
Oh, but it's good.
Oh.
It's not even like good flour.
Close up,
Oh gosh. I didn't know you were suffering.
Whoa.
Take a good one.
No.
Here, take another one.
I can't.
Here. You want to do one more?
I do.
Hashtag brother gold.
Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. No. I got you in the throat. My bad. Another one. Another one. Open your mouth.
It's going fast.
It's a rescue mission. Oh, I missed him. Almost. Okay. Do one more time. Get it in his ear. That'll be great. That'll be great.
We're good.
What?
We're clear.
Oh, it's over. It's over.
It's all tasting now.
This is probably being in your mouth.
Trust me. If it went in my mouth, I did not spit it back out.
Are you sure about that?
Except for that first one though, so
Yeah, that was definitely in my mouth.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! I got it! I got it! It stuck to her foot! It stuck to her.
It was definitely in his mouth.
Yeah, now I know it was in his mouth.
For sure.
Ew!
Oh.
I feel violated.
Oh.
Oh, that's satisfying.
I want that so much.
I feel like, do you want some, Devin?
Oh, I would love some. Yeah! Woohoo!
I like his hidden at
You're the
end.
best.
I'll take
Thank
some
you.
too.
Oh, there's not much
There's
left.
just not enough, Colin. Sorry.
Yeah.
I think we have to move
No
on.
worries.
Moving on.
Yeah.
I am curious.
What?
We're allowed to do this?
Wait, we're allowed to.
Do the sniffy sniff. 3, 2, 1.
No!
What is
I don't
that?
know what
What
this
are
is.
these?
No, beans?
What are these?
What?
Wait.
Jelly beans.
It says
I-
vegetarian beans. What's the difference?
Yeah.
What are vegetarian beans?
I
What
thought beans were vegetarian.
I thought normal beans are vegetarian.
What is that. That looks
I think
like...
these are, either those are sour or these are sour, but I'm guessing.
They look like old versions of this.
Wait,
Yeah, they look like moldy.
wait. They say Jelly Belly on them, so I'm guessing these are the normal ones.
These have 0 markings. Like if I found these in
Yeah,
the
what
woods,
is-
I would not go near them.
Oh,
Ooh.
that looks real gross.
Smells like baked beans.
Yeah, it smells like beans.
Do you guys have baked beans here?
No.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah,
in
we
this
do.
house?
Like baked beans, like that tomatoey sauce.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Chili?
No,
What?
like baked beans for breakfast.
I'm pretty. Wait,
for breakfast?
You guys don't have baked beans for breakfast?
No.
No.
That's not something we have.
Oh, what?
What is it?
What's that?
It's like Aussie breakfast food.
What?
Australian Devon? Aussie,
Oh, sorry. No, I don't know.
Alright guys, you ready?
Yep.
No,
I hope-
I'm not. But sure.
I hope these are not sour.
Yeah, me too. Cheers! It's just a can of beans.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
Yo!
These aren't sour.
Yeah, these. Got him. Ooh, I got him.
Not really that bad.
Oh really? They're sweet
No, they're
beans.
kind of sweet.
No.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, he's looking like a bean.
What?
Ooh,
They're
look
like,
at that red bean.
yeah, like this one. He looks like this bean.
Yeah, like a little.
Look, the
Holy cow.
resemblance.
Yeah, actually, that's really close.
Yeah.
Wow, you're fast, Collins.
The one that got away.
It's like you want to be done.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gross.
I feel like mine is like the worst combo.
Oh, it
Oh my
actually-
gosh.
Beans, watermelon, a burger.
Alright, we are back with another one. Ready guys?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Oh!
What is...
It's bacon.
I don't even like bacon.
Really? I've never had bacon.
What? You've never had bacon?
No.
I'll trade.
You really? You would trade?
Oh, yeah.
You know this has to go in your smoothie, right? Yeah, let's trade.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
I'm like desensitized to sour from the last time, so I think I can do this.
See, that's not how sour works.
No.
Usually it only gets worse and worse and worse
Really?
as it goes.
Yes.
I've made a huge mistake.
This is my first time having bacon too.
What?
I just realized I've never actually had bacon.
What?
Oh, for real? And I get this beautiful Wengie cook on it.
Some of that was cooked in the octopus juice.
Oh.
I was too lazy to like...
No wonder you wanted to trade so
Fast
fast.
now?
First time bacon.
Thoughts? Does it taste like octopus?
It low-key tastes like an octopus. Soggy and mushy and like kind of fibery.
Oh, wait, bro. No. Wengie made this. You can't say
I
that.
mean, the crisp, the
Yeah.
It's okay.
flavor,
It's
the
It's,
texture.
it's like a master chef.
It's fine. It's our turn.
All right, I'm so ready for this.
I'm not.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's
What?
what? Just a little nibble.
Oh,
Oh, is it sour?
it's sour.
Eh?
It's not much better. It's still bad.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Wendy eating sour food is like one of my favorite things.
They don't look like a pig.
They look like a pig to me.
Really? They look like little hippopotami.
Oh, little.
Is that the plural? Hippopotami?
Hippopotami.
So is it octopi?
I think it is like hippopotami.
You're trying to look like... Smoothie time!
Alright.
Okay. This is
Oh,
gonna be
boy.
so
Hold up.
sour. We're back with our next food. Can you take a guess on what it is?
Oh!
It smells like sauce.
Yo!
Sauce. What?
What?
It smells like pasta.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I did not have the sour one. Yes.
My sense of smell is impeccable.
Exactly. I saw you. They're surprisingly short little noodles.
It's like when my mom used to, like cut up the pasta because they were too long.
This was
Pasta
just last
so
year,
long.
right?
It was not last year, okay?
Whoa.
Yo.
Look at this.
Wow.
That is a long noodle.
This is like taller than me.
No.
Okay, guys, it's time to eat the noodles. This is way more fun.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what were from the Coca-Cola bottle?
Really?
Oh, wait.
Oh, this is so good, man.
You sound different when it's sour. I mean, your
Yeah.
voice changes.
Yeah, it does.
What does it taste like?
It's so sour.
Bro, his face is red. Look at it. His face is red.
Oh! Oh, there it is. Oh no, how was yours?
Was this also Chef Wenji?
This was Chef Frozen Food.
Well, it tasted really good.
Oh, yes.
Smoothie time.
Yeah.
Smoothie time. See, you don't think about the real foods and how weird they're gonna be in a smoothie.
At least it's some sort of candy. I've gotten so many real foods, it's just been,
Okay, so there's one thing we haven't gotten yet.
Yep.
Yep.
It's the worms.
Yeah, something smells bad.
Before we open it, guys, I need your help. We have a like challenge today, and if you guys give me a thumbs up right now, take
Yep.
3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Have you guys done it? Hopefully, I won't get the worms.
Yeah, I'm feeling the same way. I think we're all feeling the same thing here.
Ready, guys? 3,
2, 1. Yeah!
No!
No!
How did we get so lucky?
No! You're kidding
All of the
me.
bad things.
How do I get all the worst stuff?
Okay, guys, like, Colin's got the worms. I feel so bad for him. You guys gotta go subscribe to his channel and check out the video we did as well.
I would really appreciate it.
Are you really gonna eat this?
Yes! We go ham for these collabs.
Are you serious?
Well, I'm actually pretty excited for this.
Well, I feel really good about this now.
Worm cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Whoa!
Whoa.
I got like both
That-
of
that'd
the
be
flavors too. Oh.
That looks so good.
It was good.
Yeah.
And then I changed my mind.
Alright.
Is this really happening? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, this one looks like a little piece of larva. I gotta get that out of there. Oh! I'm getting nitpicky. They're all disgusting. Okay.
Oh, okay. No, really? Oh my god, I can't even look.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh my god.
Bro, it like spawned on your lip.
Oh.
Get him a tissue.
Oh. I got it.
Guys.
I'm coming back.
I'm good.
I got it. Here we go. Here we go.
Alright, we are back with our smoothies.
Yep.
They look disgusting.
Yeah, they look really gross. Yours looks really good.
Yeah, yours looks really good.
The bacon, like,
Oh,
like
don't
moist
remind
and like
me.
expanded. Yours looks good on top, and then I don't know
Yeah.
what happened down there.
Yeah, it's
No.
like a murky swamp.
I see beans. I see bread. Soggy bread is some of the.
Soggy bread.
But we have one more thing to add.
Oh yeah, our
Oh.
worms.
Yeah.
Where are your worms?
Be gone.
Yeah.
Pop it on top.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh
Nice.
my gosh. Okay,
All
let's
right.
blend.
We're blending it. All right, how does my top work?
All
All
right.
right, ready?
Yep.
Yes. I'm gonna push a bunch of buttons. Why did the lights go out?
We blew the lights out. We blew a fuse.
Yeah, and we're back.
Hey.
No.
Hey, we fixed the fuse.
These are some powerful blenders. I was not joking.
Ugh.
I think we should do these one at a time.
I'm so nervous. Wait, what?
Does it not work?
No. It worked a second ago. Wait.
Maybe the fuse.
Whoa! Alright, alright.
Oh, we're waiting for that dummy to
I
come
know,
out.
I'm waiting for the gummy.
It's right there.
I smell burning.
Oh my gosh! We blew the fuse
Really?
again.
Again. It's so little.
Oh. It looks like someone threw up in mine.
Don't even say it.
Oh no! I'm not. Don't smell this.
Oh.
I can't.
That looks like someone threw up.
Don't say that. Just
yeah.
don't say it. My
Okay.
stomach is so.
I know,
can't.
me too.
I can't do this.
No, bro, you got this.
All right.
Alright, ready?
Oh.
Ready, guys?
No.
No.
No, yeah, I'm not ready either. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!